Station 29 in Oviedo for the Seminole County Fire Department to host a cooking competition. Not only do these men and women risk their lives for our community, they also know their way around the kitchen. Each participant will have 1 hour to prepare a dish that is special to them, and I'll choose the winner. Let's get cooking. Okay, contestants, there's 60 minutes on the clock. In 3, 2, 1, go!
Hi, I'm Becky Ward, Assistant Chief for the Seminole County Fire Department. Today I'm going to be making shrimp and grits.
Hello, my name's Terry Myers. I'm a lieutenant at Station 27. I've been here with Seminole County for 32 years, and today I'll be making fish tacos.
Hi, my name is José. Work for Seminole County Fire Department, stationed at Station 42. I'm a firefighter paramedic, and I've been with the county for about 28 years. Today I'm going to make what's a Filipino dish called Pansít.
30 minutes on the clock. Hi, Chef Becky. What are you cooking today?
Today we're making shrimp and grits. So I'm making this dish because this is the most requested dish when I cook in a fire station. They always ask me to make shrimp and grits.
I definitely would too.
And I have the bacon, tasso ham, and onions in there, and I'm getting ready to add the peppers.
That sounds delicious. I can't wait to eat it. I'll leave you alone so you can keep cooking. Hi, Chef Terry. What are you working on?
I'm working on getting the fish fried up for the tacos, and just making sure they don't stick, and hopefully they'll be good.
They look good.
Just caught them yesterday. Me and a buddy of mine went fishing, so these are about as fresh as you're gonna get them.
Well, I'm gonna leave you alone so you can finish up the dish. Hi, Chef.
Hi, Chef. How you doing?
So, what do you have here?
Right now, I'm making a Filipino dish called Pansít. It's one of those things that I learned that since I was your age, I like to show some of my culture in the fire station. And as far as I know, they love it. So
I'm pretty sure I'll love it too.
all right, good, Chef. Thank you.
So I'm gonna leave you alone so you can keep cooking.
All right, I appreciate it. Thank you.
Bye. Okay, Chef. Time is up in 3, 2, 1. Stop what you're doing. I'm ready to eat.
Chef, may I present to you my world famous shrimp and grits. It has tasso ham, leeks, peppers, and beautiful wild caught Florida shrimp.
Looks delicious, so I hope it's delicious. The shrimp is good. I love the flavor for the grits. That's amazing, Chef. Thank you.
Chef, today I prepared for you fish tacos.
They look amazing.
I hope you enjoy them.
I definitely will. It's really good.
Good, thank you.
The fish is really fresh. The whole taco is great. Thank you, Chef.
Thank you, Chef.
The Pansít's done. Hopefully you like it.
So, what I think about the dish is the pork and the veggies are great. They're phenomenal. The noodles, spectacular.
Well, thank you, Chef.
I'm gonna have to say, this is a good dish.
Thank you. I'm honored.
All of your dishes were great, but one dish stood out more than others. That's why, Terry Myers, you have been crowned the winner. Congratulations.
Thank you.
Your dish stood out because the fish was fresh. It's so nice that you went fishing for me.
Oh, yeah.
And all of the flavors on that taco were just buenísimo.
Perfect, thank you. So glad you liked it.
Chef, thank you for coming to our fire station.
You're welcome.
On behalf of Seminole County, we are going to make you an honorary fireman.
Well, I guess my ride's ready. Gotta go.